Right, I've tried to get the whole question into this frame, but let me go back to the question and pull on it, but then write with this. So they give you some information here, and hopefully you've looked at it. So there's a basic rate of £12 per hour, and then they give us the number of hours. So let's deal with the basic rate first, which is literally 700 times 12, which is 8,400, right? And then they tell us that if you look at the question goes on to say that the first overtime rate is basic rate plus 50%. And if the basic rate is £12, 50% of that is 6. So you're in effect getting £18 for working overtime. So that's 60 times 18. It's 60 times 18, which brings us to 1080. And then we're told that the other one is double. So that's £24 when you work the overtime rate 2. So that's 30 times 24. 30 times 24, and that's 720. And so we can work out the total cost before doing anything else. 8,400 plus 1080 plus 720 is equal to 10,200. Then let's look at this discussion about the bonus payment. The bonus payment, they tell us, listen, you will get 25% of the basic hourly rate for every box packed in the month in excess of the target. So the question is, what is the target? You have 2775 and the target is 2475. So you have 2775 minus 2475. So this is the target, this is the excess. So therefore you have an excess of 300 boxes, and they tell us that these 300 boxes are done at 25% of the basic rate. So you have 300 times 25% times 12, which takes us to 300 times 0.25 times 12 is 900. And so that total cost, 10,200, is 11,100, right? And those are your figures. And the question wants what this is per box. I mean, you did 2775 boxes, and so of course the average cost, so to speak, is that divided by 2775, and that gives you £4. Then it says, listen, tell us that you have 5 people in this team, and you've spent 11,100. Sorry, the basic rate, forgive me. The basic rate is 10,200. And then you have the bonus rate, 900. So divide those by 5 respectively. 10,200 divided by 5, and that's 2040. And then you have 900 divided by 5, and that's 180. That's 180. Right? And that's how we deal with 1.3.